If you're over 60 and noticing weak legs, shrinking arms, or just feeling frail, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a natural ingredient that can help rebuild muscle even if you can't hit the gym? It may sound too good to be true, but cutting-edge research shows this nutrient can actually slow muscle loss and even stimulate repair, all while you rest. In this video, I'll reveal the name of this powerful ingredient, how it works inside your body, and how to combine it with everyday foods for maximum results. So what is it? It's called HMB, short for β-Hydroxy beta-methylbutyrate. HMB is a natural compound your body produces from the amino acid leucine, found in foods like eggs, chicken, and dairy. But here's the catch. As we age, our ability to make and use HMB drops dramatically, especially after 60. This makes it harder to maintain muscle, even with a good diet. HMB works by two powerful mechanisms. First, it stops your body from breaking down muscle, a major problem as we age. Second, it jumpstarts muscle building through the same pathways triggered by exercise. Think of it as a backup plan for your muscles when workouts just aren't an option. Clinical studies back this up. In one study, seniors taking HMB during 10 days of bed rest preserved muscle, while the placebo group lost significant tissue. Another study in nursing home residents showed up to 17% improvements in strength, even without added exercise. The ideal dose, between 1.5 to 3 grams daily, split into 2 or 3 servings for all-day protection. It's natural, affordable, and even used in hospitals for bedridden patients. Now, HMB isn't a miracle drug. It works best when paired with good nutrition and light physical activity. But for those battling sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss affecting 1 in 3 adults over 60, it can be a game-changer. Let's talk about how to boost your results by combining HMB with high leucine foods. These foods don't just support HMB production, they amplify its effects. Cottage cheese rich in leucine and slow-digesting casein, cottage cheese is perfect before bed. It provides overnight muscle protection and supplies steady HMB precursors while you sleep. Greek yogurt packed with protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt supports muscle repair and gut health. Use it in breakfast parfaits or as a high-protein replacement for sour cream. Eggs, nature's perfect protein source. High in leucine and bioavailable nutrients like vitamin D, eggs help your body make and use HMB efficiently. Don't skip the yolks, they hold most of the muscle-friendly nutrients. Salmon, a double threat, high in leucine and anti-inflammatory omega-3s. This combo slows muscle loss and supports repair. Aim for 2 to 3 servings a week, whether grilled, canned, or made into patties. Together, these foods and HMB create a nutritional defense system against age-related muscle loss. You don't need a gym membership, just smart choices. So if you're over 60 and want to stay strong, mobile, and independent, give HMB a serious look. In the next section, I'll show you exactly how to build a daily routine with these foods for maximum impact. To get the most out of salmon, pair it with antioxidant-rich vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, or broccoli. These combinations create a powerful synergy that enhances the muscle-protecting benefits of HMB. Plus, salmon's natural vitamin D helps keep muscles firing properly by supporting both contraction and nerve activation, two functions that tend to decline with age. Next up is beef, one of the richest sources of leucine, the key amino acid your body turns into HMB. This makes beef incredibly effective for preventing muscle loss in adults over 60. Its high leucine content ensures your body produces more HMB, helping preserve muscle even if you're not very active. What sets beef apart is its complete amino acid profile, along with other muscle-friendly nutrients like creatine, carnitine, iron, and zinc. These work together with HMB to strengthen and maintain muscle integrity. And since many seniors experience a lower appetite, beef is a smart choice because it packs a lot of nutrition into smaller servings. To get the most benefit, choose lean cuts like sirloin, tenderloin, or 93% lean ground beef. Aim for 3 to 4 ounce portions, 2 to 3 times a week. Cook it in ways that preserve nutrients, like in stir-fries with colorful veggies and ginger, which also adds anti-inflammatory benefits. You can also stretch your meals with beef roasts. Use the leftovers in sandwiches, salads, or even breakfast scrambles with eggs and veggies. This keeps your meals interesting while providing a steady stream of HMB precursors. And don't overlook the iron in beef. Iron is essential for delivering oxygen to your muscles, and deficiency, common in older adults, can lead to weakness. So beef gives you a double advantage. iron for energy, and HMB precursors for muscle strength. Food number 6 is whey protein, one of the fastest and most effective ways to increase HMB in the body. That's because whey contains about 14% leucine, and your body converts this quickly into HMB. Whey's power comes from its rapid absorption. Within 30 minutes of drinking a whey shake, HMB levels spike, just when your muscles are most ready to use it. This is especially important for seniors whose muscles are more prone to breakdown. Here's how to use it. Add 1 scoop, about 25 grams, of high-quality whey protein powder to 8 ounces of milk or a milk alternative. This gives you about 3 grams of leucine, enough to spark real muscle protection. Blend it with frozen berries, flaxseed, and spinach for a complete muscle-supporting shake. Or mix whey into oatmeal, pancake batter, or yogurt. You can even stir unflavored whey into soups or mashed potatoes for extra protein without changing the taste. To get the best results, have your whey protein within 30 minutes of any activity, even light housework or walking. That's when your body will use it most efficiently to build and protect muscle. Finally, food number 7, quinoa. This ancient grain is rare among plants because it contains all 9 essential amino acids, including a solid dose of leucine. That makes it an excellent plant-based option for boosting HMB, but quinoa does more than that. It's also rich in magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus, minerals crucial for muscle contractions and recovery. These nutrients often drop with age, so quinoa helps fill that gap. Quinoa is easy to work into your week. Cook a big batch once and use it in several meals. Make a warm breakfast bowl with milk, berries, nuts, and a little honey. Build lunch bowls with quinoa, salmon, eggs, or chicken. And don't forget the veggies. Swap quinoa for rice in dinner dishes like stir-fries, stuffed peppers, or hearty stews. Quinoa is also gluten-free, making it gentle on digestion and ideal for seniors with sensitivities. Plus, its fiber supports gut health, which plays a growing role in how well your body absorbs amino acids and produces HMB. The road to stronger, healthier muscles starts with small, consistent choices. By combining HMB with these 7 powerhouse foods, you're not just preventing muscle loss, you're protecting your independence. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. You don't need a gym or intense workouts, just better nutrition that works with your body's natural rhythm. Even during rest or recovery, start small. Try cottage cheese before bed to protect muscles overnight. Have eggs in the morning to kickstart HMB production. These changes may seem minor, but over time they make a huge difference. And remember, it's never too late. Whether you're 65 or 85, your body can still respond. With the right foods and a little movement, you can stay strong for what matters most. Walking confidently, playing with grandkids, or enjoying your home and hobbies without fear of weakness. Your strength is your freedom. Protect it with smart nutrition. Your future self will thank you.